How to find a Cash App account and routing number. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to find Cash App account and routing number. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. From there, go to the bottom section of the screen where there are more options, as you can see. From those options, make sure you tap on the Bank option. It is found at the bottom left corner of the screen. This is the Money section of the app. On this page, various sections and options are related to money. At the top section of the page, below where there is your Cash App balance, there are two important options. They are named Account and Routing. Make sure you tap on that section. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the page where you will see your Cash App balance. At the bottom of the section, there is an option named Account and Routing. Once you tap on it, your account and routing number will be revealed. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to find a Cash App account and routing number.